Ever feel like YouTube notifications just randomly attack your phone all day long? Like you unlock your Android and boom, another YouTube notification covering your status bar for absolutely no reason. Good news, you can turn them off in less than a minute, and here's how. First, tap and hold the YouTube app icon on your Android phone. After that, tap the little eye icon to open the app settings. Now look for the notifications menu and open it. You'll probably see Allow Notifications turned on right now. Just switch it off. And that's literally it. No more random YouTube notifications showing up and disturbing you throughout the day. Oh, and if you open YouTube later and it asks you to turn notifications back on, just tap No Thanks so they stay disabled. Your phone instantly feels cleaner, quieter, and way less annoying. So, are you finally turning off those YouTube notifications today, or are you still letting them spam your status bar every 5 minutes?